Hey guys, my name is Tony from the EthLend, and I will introduce you a bit of the EthLend decentralized application and what is EthLend all about. Quickly, if we look at the facts here, basically we are EthLend is a decentralized application that is built to run on the Ethereum blockchain network. So basically, uh, all the data that we use, all the loan agreements, for example, if we go to the main page here, now actually we are connecting to the Ethereum blockchain network, retrieve data from there. And we have here loan agreements, which are actually smart contracts. Uh, These all data are retrieved from the blockchain network, which means that they are not stored on our servers. So basically, all of the loan agreements here, if we go further, we can see that these loan agreements are kind of smart contracts. So basically, if you will click on the link, it will get you Etherscan. So basically, all the transactions, the loans, the collateral, tokens, these are all functions from the loan contract. So we in the EthLend do not basically have we don't have we don't do we don't handle the transactions. They are all going through the smart contract. So what is EthLend all about? So basically, EthLend is about finding a way to lend Ether, a form of cryptocurrency, on the blockchain in a way that all the data is decentralized, so there isn't a centralized system holding the data. So we're much safer by design for example, attacks. And main idea problem that we have in this kind of system is that how do we, when we have borrowers that only uses addresses, Ethereum addresses, how do we basically can confirm that if the lender here lends to this address that the borrower will actually pay the loan back, because we don't actually know who is the borrower. And this is a major problem. So we actually notice it that different cryptocurrencies have value, for example, Bitcoin, Ethereum, and we also notice it that there's much value in Ethereum tokens. So basically, Ethereum token is kind of well, it's it's a basic digital token that you can represent value, for example, or reward, or make your own cryptocurrency. So basically, anyone can issue their own token, digital token. It can represent, for example, gold. We have a company which is Digix DAO, and they actually use tokens that are backed by actually gold. So, example, if we will go to the coin market cap, we will find Digix. We can find that their price per token is actually backed by 1 gram of gold each token. So the tokens do have value, and if you can look at the market cap, for example, we have Golden token. It has over 350 million market cap, and then we have, for example, Red Augur, which have over 200 million market cap. So there's plenty of tokens that have value, and these tokens can be used as a collateral. These tokens are tradable, for example, in the EtherDelta, which is a token exchange. You can trade almost any popular token in the platform. So basically, when these tokens do have demand, they actually have value, and you can use this value not only by selling tokens, but you can actually use them as a collateral when you borrow. So when you basically need Ether or current currency, you don't have to sell your tokens. For example, you can use your tokens as a collateral. You will make a loan request, and you will place your tokens, the value as a collateral. So basically, it's a promise that if you don't pay, the lender will get your tokens. So you're incentivized to pay the loan back. And that's the basis of our decentralized application and the smart contract that we have here. And we can actually, there's a couple of questions, for example, about the tokens. For example, are they safe? They actually are quite safe here in EthLend because they are inside the smart contract. So basically, if you look at the one of the contracts that was made, we had the first block tokens. Basically, they were held in a smart contract, so even the EthLend guys here cannot access the tokens. So they're safe here. And the fees are actually 0.01 Ether for the loan request, and the lender is also charged 0.01 for the funding of the loan. And these fees are used to improve the EthLend platform and make it more efficient and widen the concept that we use here. And it's kind of a cool application in many ways and can solve a lot of issues. And there has been questions that will there be a eco initial coin offering, and it kind of depends. And if there will be, we will notice, tell us about it in our Twitter page, so or in our Medium blog. So stay tuned and try our application here. Thank you for watching.